Let's discuss trigonometric identities. First, what is identity? Identity means an equation. An equation is called an identity when it is true for all values of the variable involved. Okay? Identity is nothing but an equation when it is true for all values of variables involved. Now we are talking about trigonometric identities. Similarly, an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity. Okay? They are sin square a plus cos square a, which is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Tan square a equal to secant square a. Next, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. Okay, these are the trigonometric identities. Okay, very important. Proof for trigonometric identities. First one, first identity, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, we have to prove sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, let's draw right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Here A is acute angle, A, B, C is right angle triangle, AB is base B, and BC is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular P. AC is hypotenuse H. Okay, we know sin A equal to side opposite to the angle A. Here reference angle A, side opposite to the angle A is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, BC is P and AC is H. Okay, cos A equal to reference angle A. Cos A equal to side adjacent to the angle A by hypotenuse. AB by hypotenuse is AC. AB equal to base is B, hypotenuse is H. Okay, here sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to sin A equal to P by H whole square. Sin A equal to P by H square, P by H whole square, plus cos square equal to B by H whole square, P square by H square plus B square by H square. Take LCM is H square, P square plus B square. So here using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is H square, side square, here side is AB is base square, here side, one side is P square. H square equal to b square plus p square. Okay, here see, p square plus b square, which is equal to h square. H square by h square, which is equal to 1. Okay, sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Okay, hence we have to prove sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. Okay, this is the one identity, one trigonometric identity. Okay, next trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square a equal to secant square a. Okay, 1 plus tan square a, we know tan a equal to, here reference angle a, this is base b, perpendicular, bc equal to perpendicular p. Okay, here reference angle a, tan a equal to side opposite to the angle a by side adjacent to the angle a, opposite side p by b. 1 plus tan square a equal to 1 plus p by b whole square, which is equal to 1 plus p square b square. Take LCM, b square plus p square. Okay, here using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Okay, hypotenuse h square equal to side square is b square plus p square. Okay, here b square plus p square, which is equal to h square by b square equal to h by b whole square. Okay, we know secant square a equal to 1 by cos a. Secant square a equal to hypotenuse by side adjacent to the angle a. Okay, hypotenuse is h, adjacent, here reference angle a, adjacent side is b. Okay, sorry, h by b. See here, h by b whole square, it means secant a equal to h by b, h square by b square, h by b whole square is secant square. Okay, 1 plus tan square a equal to secant square a. Hence we proved trigonometric identity 1 plus tan square a equal to secant square a. Okay, next identity, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. Okay, we have to prove cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. Cot a equal to cot a, here reference angle a, cot a equal to side adjacent to the angle a by side opposite to the angle a, adjacent side by opposite side, adjacent side b, base b by opposite side p. Cot square a equal to b by p whole square. Here we have to prove cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. LHS, cot square a plus 1 equal to b by p whole square plus 1, b square plus p square plus b square by p square plus 1. Take LCM, p square b square, in denominator we have to 1, we have to get p square, so multiply with 1 into p square, multiply with p square. using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is h square, side square is b square plus p square. Okay, b square plus p square equal to h square. H square by p square, it is equal to h by p whole square. Okay, h by p, hypotenuse by p. Cosecant a equal to 1 by sin a. It means hypotenuse by side opposite to the angle a. Side opposite to the angle a. Opposite side. Hypotenuse is h and opposite side is p. Okay, see, h by p whole square. It is equal to cosecant square a. Okay, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. Okay, this is the third identity. Hence we have to prove cot square a plus 1 equal to cosecant square a. These are very important.